This is day 4, and there is something I observed on this day 4 is that the wood shavings or the litter material are getting stick to one's feet. So what I'll do now is to turn the litters. The essence of turning these litters is, one, to turn it so that the fresher ones which are still at the bottom can come up. Here is it. This is the litter now. By the time I scrape it and turn it, you see that the bottom is still very okay. It has not soaked yet, so of which I can still use it. By the time I turn it, it becomes fresh. You see now, it becomes fresh. So when you step on it, it looks like it's fresh wood shavings. That is the essence of turning of litters. You can do it within every 3 or 4 days intervals. When you turn it, it looks like you are putting in fresh wood shavings. And another thing too, it will help to prolong the shelf life of the wood shavings. So if you are supposed to change the wood shavings, like maybe I said, okay, it's sticking to my feet, now I want to change it, I will change it, and it will cost me more. That means I'll be spending more money, because these wood shavings, we do buy them. Though this is sawdust, which is cheaper than wood shavings, we do buy them. A bag is 1,000 naira, and in some places they will tell you 2,000 naira, 1,500 when there is scarcity of it. But when there is no scarcity, we buy a bag for 1,000 naira. You can use something like this. This is just wood or plywood that came along with the sawdust or wood shavings. So you can just use it to scrape the ground. Scrape the ground like this. To scrape. If you spread again, scrape. You spread again. That's it. Well, it doesn't actually take much of your time to do this work. All you just need to do is to carry the feeders and the drinkers away from the area that you need to work. You can see them, they are all running very happy. It's like they are just sensing that this is new wood shavings, so they are very, very happy. You can see them all running. So what you just need to do is to remove the feeders and the drinkers, so that the job will be very easy for you, so that you can finish it in no distant time. So I just have to remove the feeders and the drinkers to one section, and this area that you are seeing now, I've turned the litters in this area. So this is day 4 of brooding, and I have turned the litters. I've given them feed, and I have given them water, and I've also given them heat. So this is the heat. It's just one bucket. They are all doing great. That's the heat. I'm giving them their water, and they are all well. You can see that they are all evenly distributed, starting from here. So this is it. Okay.